Yeah, g'day everyone, welcome back to Was a Halves 888. This is part 5 of the rebuild of the 1978 Utility. I didn't know what I was going to achieve today, but I made a bit of the most of the wife's car not being here. Cleaned up the garage a little bit, probably doesn't look like it, but it is. So that allowed me to get some painting done on the deck and so forth. So yeah, look, it's coming up okay. First time using spray putty, and I'm pretty happy with the results there. So look, stick around, have a look, see what you think, and we'll catch you soon. Yeah, we got a bit of a crap come through when I was cleaning the underside, so I'll have to get rid of that before I put some spray putty on. I wasn't going to put any spray putty on, but I thought, nah, what the hell, so we'll give it a bill. That'll do, donkey, that'll do. Alright, I've never used this before, but we shall see what we end up with. That should do it. Okay, I'll let that dry now. We'll come back and have a look at it. I may get round to setting it down today. So here we go. Alright, we'll leave it there, let it dry, and we'll come back to it a bit later on. Alright, we're going to give this another spray. It's probably too soon, but nah, it doesn't matter. I just want to get this done. And I've lifted it up a little bit so I can get some of these harder spots. I probably should leave this a bit longer, but I got no idea. I'm just going to give this a bit of a sand. Got some 240 to start with, and just see how it goes. Interesting. I don't want to take too much off. I'm just giving it a light go over. I might tear that in half. Once I've done this, then I've got some 600, so I'll give it a bit of a sand with that. Let's see where we're at. The reason we put the spray putty on is when I was getting the original paint off, I used a flappy disc, which I didn't really want to use. But it was the only way I could get the paint off, and it left a few little gouges, so we're just getting those off. And yes, it's orange underneath. As I said before, this is just for a bit of fun. I'm not going to take it to any shows or anything like that. If they have well-known shows, I don't know. Just because it's different. That's the only reason I'm doing it. Here's where a few of those scratches were, and that is smooth as. That's awesome. P600. Sexy lady. The thing is, you're not going to see a lot of this because it's going to have the motor and wheels and shit on it. But that'll make the paint look a little bit better anyway where you can see it. Oh, that's beautiful. I'm talking through this, but you're probably not going to hear any of it because this would be boring to watch and I'll probably fast forward the whole lot. So, but it doesn't matter. I'm having fun. Look, because this is steel and it's been pressed, little dimples in here I can't do much about, but it is what it is. And I'm probably being a little bit too pedantic. Maybe not pedantic enough for some. Righto. Oh, clean water. Same rag but rinsed out. Just going to give it a wipe over. Top and bottom, around the sides and everywhere. Don't know if you can see that there. Just little creases where it was pressed into the mould. Rags is something I do not have a shortage of. All the old bed linen from when the girls were with us, living with us. My wife was going to throw it out, and I managed to salvage it. And this is all this winter sheet stuff, it's all nice and soft. It's good, it's good. Now, I think that is ready for some top coat. What do you reckon? Don't know why I asked you, because you can't answer. Right, the hope is that this orange is better than the last can, because the last can made a friggin' mess. Here he goes. That's good enough to do for now, and let that dry, and we might put a second coat on it. Well, there we go, that's part 5 of the 1978 Victa utility rebuild for now. Look, first time using the spray putty, I was pretty happy with the results. Once I was sanded in with 240 wet and dry to get the bumps out, and then went over it with 600. It's come up pretty good. Which now allowed me to then get the orange top coat over the top. And look, for a first coat, that's come up pretty good. We'll need a second coat, not today though. Wife will be back a little bit later on. She's in shopping with the girls, so I won't be able to get any more done in the garage today, but that came up all right. And as you saw, I got the axles and suspension type stuff, connecting rods and so forth. I painted them all black, it looked silly, so I masked off the brackets and painted silver, which actually looks a lot better now. So slowly getting bits and pieces done, so we'll keep working at it. I didn't want this to take forever, but time's an issue for me, and it's winter, it's bloody cold in the garage, so I don't get a lot of time to do this, so when I do, I get as much done as I can. So, but anyway, look, I hope you enjoyed it. Stick around, there's more to come, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and tell your friends, neighbours, relatives and so forth to watch this silly old bugger messing around in his garage, painting a lawnmower, riveting stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching, bye for now.